Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to grill a full chicken in OTG oven. We are going to use Indian spicy masala to marinate this whole chicken so that our grilled chicken will be very spicy and juicy. Along with that, we will see the recipe for mayonnaise and also Indian curd raita. So let's straight into it and see the grilled chicken recipe along with mayonnaise and curd raita. So first we are going to marinate the chicken. So we have taken the whole chicken. So let's apply the curds on the chicken so that our marination masala will go deep into it. Okay, we have applied the curds now. So let's prepare the marination masala. So first put 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon fennel powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, spices powder 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt, and we will squeeze 2 lemon juice. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, now mix all the masalas. And also add 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes for extra spiciness. We are going to grill this chicken very spicy, so we are adding 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes and mix it well. Now apply this masala on chicken and also on the curd so that the masala will go deep into it. Okay, we are going to marinate this chicken overnight, or you can marinate at least for 4 hours so that it will give better taste. So okay, we are removing the cover after overnight and we are going to grill this chicken. So take out the chicken. So add the chicken in the skewers and make sure you have preheated the OTG oven. Now place the chicken in the OTG oven. So now we are going to cook this chicken very slowly. The more it will cook slow, the chicken will taste good and also it will be very juicy. So we are going to slow cook this for 2 hours at 180 degrees Celsius. So meanwhile we will prepare the mint raita. So for that we have to chop half onion and 1 cup curd and along with some mint leaves. So it will be a simple but it will be very tasty along with our grilled chicken. So finally chop the mint leaves as well. And also add some cumin powder, some salt and mix it well. So our mint raita is ready. So let's prepare the mayonnaise. Let's break 2 eggs and we just need to add the egg white. Some garlic, salt, pepper and some sugar. And also squeeze some lemon. Okay, now cross grind it for 3 seconds. And now add the oil. So we need to add the oil in 3/4 and continue to coarse grind. Okay, so our mayonnaise is ready. It's thick now. So our chicken is grilling well here. So we are slow cooking the chicken. So in the middle we have applied some butter. So our chicken is grilling well for past 2 hours. So it's grilled well. So we can remove the chicken and taste it. So you can see here the chicken is leaving the juices here. So the chicken will be very juicy. Since we have applied some butter also on the top, so it will taste good. The chicken will be very spicy with the Indian spicy masala. So we can feel it like having a chicken grill in the restaurant. So let's take it out from OTG oven and garnish with some cabbage and onions and also some lemon. Delicious chicken grill is ready. The chicken grill will be very spicy. So we can taste it's like a restaurant style grilled chicken. It's very spicy. It's perfectly cooked till inside. So the chicken is very tasty. So the chicken is grilled perfectly. So easily coming off. So let's taste the chicken with mayonnaise and mint raita. I hope you like this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and do support us, and also press the bell button icon. And also if you like this video, please like and share and comment on the video. We will see in the next recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.